What is it?
Answer the phone, boy. It's me.
You said what?
It's me, boy.
Who is this?
Shano! Fuck you talking about?
I didn't know. My dumb ass, man. Yo.
Shoy.
Remember days when we played, we was kids, I ain't know better. I grew up to a future, life was hard, we ain't had no shelter. I pray for better days, we was broken, they had no treasure. They think I'm Polo G, cause I do this shit with no effort. Smoking on exotic, that shit strong, but I need more press. She told me put it in that pussy trash, it give me no pleasure. Shout out to my brother, he go hard, don't need no sweater. I told him it's just us up in this shit, we need more cheddar. You don't understand this lifestyle that we motherfucking live. They be on the block with a couple Glocks and they be killing kids. Try to tell them stop and you get shot, and that's just how it is. You won't understand this shit, they make it hard to live. I heard you talking hot shit, but we gon' get them packed. Backdoor a nigga go through a slide and we gon' get them whacked. Don't try to run, Jayla gon' catch him, hit him in his back. You know we got guns, me and my niggas, we could never lack. Niggas be thinking they tough, but you know we don't get no fuck. Smoking no woods, me and my niggas, we don't fuck with Dutch. Bitches corona, so if you get close, you better not fucking touch me, cause my niggas gon' beat your ass and put you in the crutch. We don't get no fuck about who you was or where you came from, who you hang with, bitch, change up. We and my niggas up in this bitch and we brainless. Get no fuck with bitches, matter of fact, you can't even name us. Remember days when we played, we was kids, I ain't know better. I grew up to a future, life was hard, we ain't had no shelter. I pray for better days, we was broken, they had no treasure. They think I'm Polo G, cause I do this shit with no effort. Smoking on exotic, that shit strong, but I need more press. She told me put it in that pussy trash, it give me no pleasure. Shout out to my brother, he go hard, don't need no sweater. I told him it's just us up in this shit, but we need more cheddar. Gang. Yo, it's your boy Shano here. I'm with Ayo
Bitch,
Scratch.
they're not gonna let us in.
It's great, nigga.
I'm with Ayo Scratch.
They're not letting us in. You need your mask, motherfucker.
I got my man.
You got your mask?
My man, no, I got it. Oh, yeah.
Go get it. Run.
But yeah, let me get mine too.
Shit.
Think I left mine in the car. But yeah, like I said, it's your boy Shano.
It's your boy Shano and them niggas. They in the back. What?
Yo, let me zoom. Oh, there you go.
Gee, why the fuck we look? Why we look alike? We ain't put a camera back.
I don't know.
What?
But look,
It's that lighting, G. We look alike.
like I said, we finna shoot this music video. So shit.
Gee, what if we shot the video inside Route 21?
So we could go in there too. But right now we at,
Walmart.
as y'all can see, Walmart. We zoom in on that. This the grocery part we walking in. We in Missouri.
What fucking part of Missouri? is this?
Kirkville.
Kirksville.
Yeah.
I was gonna say Kankakee.
We
We're gonna go through that way.
we don't even live in fucking
We gotta wait
Missouri.
on this motherfucker with the mask. He got your mask.
But yeah, like I said, shout out to my man Ayo Scratch. Let me,
Scratch.
oh my god. Shout out to my man Ayo
You know
Scratch.
you gotta have it when you see first walk in, right?
He came through.
Gang gang.